Okay guys, so today's videos I'll take you through some of the best teams that are performing very good this weekend. So if you want to go for betting this weekend, you can pick these teams. They are very good. So let's take you through the games, then we know the possible outcome of the teams. So some of the teams, they haven't returned to their legs. So those who want to bet, you can just choose some of the teams that I'm coming to explain. So I'll take you through ways that is Cyprus League. So the Cyprus League, I have TNS. So the TNS, they are playing against Newtown. So Newtown, then you check on the table. TNS was on the first, then the Newtown is on the 10th. They are 12th on the league. So for this game, you can just go for straight win for TNS. Then you check their previous meeting. TNS scored them 6-1, 1-0. So you can choose straight win for TNS if you want to bet on, but the odds are too small. So if you like it, you can go, or you can go for over 2.5 win, TNS to win over 2.5, or TNS straight win or over 3.5. So just bet on it. The team, they are not performing well, as you can see. They are not good. They are just losing their games. But the TNS too, you can check them. They are performing well and they are top on the league. For about almost 3 matches, they haven't lost any game. So you can just go straight win for their game. Then our next team will be Aston Villa against Leicester City. So this game, recently, Leicester City, they are not on form. So as you can see, they are on the 19th of the league, conceding 20 games. Then let's check their head-to-head too. No lose 4 matches for Leicester City, really. Then here you go. So 9 win for Aston Villa, 7 win for Leicester, 4 draw. So going to this game, everything favors Aston Villa to win the game. But let's check their Aston Villa. They play 2-2 against Brighton, which means they score goals. Newcastle scored them 3-0. Aston Villa scored City. Forest scored them. Aston Villa scored. So when they are playing home, they are very good. But going to away, they are not performing well. So let's see. Man City score Leicester, Liverpool score them, Wolves, Newcastle, Leicester City. So which means Leicester City are not performing well. They are not on good form. So here, since they are head-to-head, Aston Villa is not so that strong. They can't beat Leicester City more as we compare. Then, as you can say, this game we go for goals over 1.5. So you go for over 1.5 for this game. So I will go for over 1.5 for this game for both teams, or both teams to score. Or you can go for handicap win for Leicester City. So you can give Leicester City 4 goals. Then you see Leicester City will win, or 3 goals for Leicester City. If not, you can go for over 1.5 for both teams, or double chance for Aston Villa. You can go for any of this. You are free to go. This weekend, I'm planning that maybe City can win this game. City versus West Ham. I can say City can win, but let me move on to the next one. Then the next one will be Maccabi Tel Aviv. So Maccabi Tel Aviv, then you check on their table. Maccabi is on the first on the league. So second on the league, 34 plus. Then Aston 13. So then you check their head-to-head. Okay, their head-to-head, you can see 14 win, 4 draw, 2 win for Aston. So going to this game, you can go for over 1.5 goals for Maccabi Tel Aviv only. So only Maccabi Tel Aviv to score over 1.5. Or you can go for over 2.5 for this game, or straight win for Maccabi Tel Aviv. So Maccabi Tel Aviv, they are good. They are on form, as you can see. So you can go for goals over 1.5 or 2.5 for both teams. Over 1.5 only for Maccabi Tel Aviv, or you can go straight win for Maccabi Tel Aviv. So this is the game. All the teams are here. So it's Israel League. Then you go for Galatasaray and playing to their odds is 1 CD 30. Then you check their standing. So here, this game will be crucial. So Galatasaray is on the top. Then Göztepe is on the fourth. So this game will be something will be difficult a little bit for Galatasaray. So going to this game, check their head together. They haven't played any draw. So this game, I can choose say any of the two teams can win. Any of the teams can win. So either Galatasaray will win or Göztepe will win. So I will stand on the 12th. So you bet on the 12th. Double chance for both teams. Any team that will win, you are free to go. Or you can go for goals over 2.5, over 1.5. Or you can go for both teams to score. As you can see over here, anytime they meet, they score more goals. So over 2.5, over 1.5, Galatasaray double chance, or both teams to score, or Galatasaray to score over 1.5 goals. So you can just go for two-way up win for Galatasaray too. So as you can see, the team, they are not so that bad. They can also make the game draw. So they can cause draw, they can win something, but here it will be better for you to go for goals, either over 1.5, both teams to score, or any other options. Then you are free to go. That is Galatasaray. Then we have Nicosia. Now they are not performing well, but I will not bet on Nicosia. They are not performing, so I'll go for this is Morocco Premier League. So Morocco Premier League, I'll go for that. Okay, so yeah, I'll go for this team with that. That is their away team. So I'll go for Wake. The Wake, they are, let me check their standing. They are on the 6th, but they are playing against Lal Bat, one team, conceding 10 goals. So going to this game, then I'll check this team. They are not performing well, as you can see. But then I'll go for that. That is playing. So I'll go for double chance for Wake. So I'll go double chance for his Morocco Premier League. I'll go for double chance for what? For Wake. Then I'll add it to my slip. You can also add some to your teams. Arsenal against Brighton, you can go for goals. Then you're free to go. Viking is also playing. Viking, you can go for. No, I will not bet on this. So that's all for Saturday. Then this is for Sunday. Sunday too. Sunday, this is Sunday's game. So here the game will be very tough. Rangers against Hibernian to. Then you go for, let's say, okay, here you go for double chance for Rangers. Double chance for Rangers. Or you give Hibernian 4 goals or 3 goals for them to win. So you can go for double chance for Rangers. Straight win for Rangers will be somehow difficult. Maybe they can win, but I will just go for maybe over 1.5 for both teams, or double chance for Rangers. Then you are free to go. Celtic, first half win over 1.5, or any other option too you can choose. So you can go for straight win for Celtic here, or you can go for over 1.5 goals for only Celtic, or both team to score. I don't think it can happen, but you can go for over 2.5 for both teams, or Celtic to win over 1.5. You are free to go. Then you have a lot of teams. Fenerbahce too will play. So I don't bet on many teams. So you can go Fenerbahce over 2.5, or yes, you can go for Fenerbahce over 2.5. Fenerbahce to win over 1.5, over 2.5, or you can go for 2.5 goals for both teams. Then you are free to go. We have a lot of teams that you cannot try your hands on. Man U is playing. So Man U game, you can go for over 1.5 for both teams, or double chance for Liverpool. So then you are free to go. So these are some of the teams this weekend that you can try your hands on. Some of the leagues, they haven't returned. If you have other teams too, you can just do the same research as I have done over here. Then you add some to your teams. Then you bet on the teams. I don't select more teams, because the more you select, the less the more you select. If you don't take care, your bet will spoil. So you need to select small teams, then you bet on them, and anything that you win is easy for you. So I'll leave the Telegram group channel under the comment section. You can join for free or every day, then you're free to go. If you're first time visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, leave a comment. If you don't understand anything, then I'll come out and reply you as soon as possible. So all the things that I've explained here, it doesn't mean that you are going to win. It doesn't guarantee 100% that you're going, but it will reduce your chance of losing your bet. So that's why I always say you need to select small teams, then you win something out from them. Selecting many teams that will spoil your bet. So this weekend, these are some of the teams that you can bet on them to win something. Thank you for watching.